Hello everyone! I would like to show you my project with robotics kit Quarky. Yes, I have this smart kit Quarky. And in this project I use recognition cards. You see, for example, you see card go, turn right and turn left. Yeah. You turn and sprite Hazel. No sprite. People Hazel. Girl Hazel. Okay. And I try to use show text, draw pattern, show animation, and show scrolling text. You see these things in the code. Okay, let's start it. Click run all. At the first time I will show the Quarky in my hands, and the second time I will show Quarky on the floor. Okay, let's start it. Okay, just a moment. Oh, sorry. Click. Again. Go detected. Okay, very good. Next. Just a moment. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, wait a minute, because you see text Quarky robotics kit. Try again. Yes, right. Okay. Return. Good. And Hazel. Yes, right. You see red color, 2, 1, green color. Yes. You may go. Okay. Let's try again. quirky inspires me. I hope you like it too. Bye bye!